Hi students, my name is Sudesh Narishet. I am from Manara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 9th standard, that is surface areas and volumes. So in that we already discussed about surface areas of cuboid and cube. So in that we discussed some of the problems based on cost and based on number of things already. So we have to move on to the next type of problems. So here we have to solve one by one. So let us take the first problem. So here we have the floor of the rectangular hall. So that is the floor of the rectangular hall as a perimeter 250 meter. Here it is given, the perimeter it is given. If the cost of the painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the wall. You have to find the height of the wall here. That means the value of h is unknown. Yes. So here we have to take what are the known things here. So firstly it is given the perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular hall so is 250 meters. So let us take the perimeter. Yes. So here we have to take the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 250 meters. That is the rectangular hall means it's a rectangular walls are there. So perimeter of that one we have 250 meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? So we already know that it is 2 into L plus B is equal to 250 meter. Okay. Then if the cost of the painting the four walls means it's a lateral surface area. So just take the lateral surface area. Here what are the information we have? So we have to write first. Then we have to think of what we have to do here. Yes, so let us take that one. So it is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Yes. Any information we have here? No. But here just observe 2 into L plus B. The value of 2 into L plus B we have here. So it is 250 meters. So that's why we can insert the value of 2 into L plus B here. So we can solve. So that is here 250 into H meter. Oh, here it is we have to take it as a meter square. 250 H meter square. Also it is given that if the cost of the painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. Here 250 H meter square we have. So at the rate of 10 meter per meter square, what's the value? That one we have to take. That is the cost. The cost of the painting of the four walls. So let's take the cost. Cost for painting the four walls. Painting the four walls. Then what happens here for 1 meter square? For 1 meter square, we have 10 rupees. For 1 meter square we have 10 rupees. Then totally how many meter square we have here? That is 250 H meter square we have here. So that's why for 250 H meter square is equal to, so here we have to multiply 250 H. Here also we have to multiply 250 H. That is 250 H into 10 is equal to 2500 H. That is for 250 H meter square we need 2500 H rupees. That one we have. But it is given that the total cost spent here, that is 15,000. So that means this value must be equal to that value. So let us equate that one. It is 2500 H is equal to 15,000. H is equal to 15,000 divided by 2,500. That is, you can cancel these two zeros and 25 into 1 and 25 into 6. That is H is equal to 6 meter. The value of H is 6 meter. Here. The height of the wall is 6 meter. Therefore, height of the wall is 6 meter. So you just observe there is no any information about what is the length, what is the breadth, what is the height here. So here we have to find the height. But here just observe that only it is perimeter it is given and lateral surface area it is is also given, that is 4 walls. But the thing it is, here we know about one thing it is, here the perimeter of the rectangular wall and the lateral surface area having one same thing, that is 2 into L plus B is common for both these formulas. Here 2 into L plus B only the formula, here 2 into L plus B is the one of the part. So that means here it is a perimeter into H. When we take the perimeter into the height, so we get the lateral surface area. So assume the situation, that is when we have the perimeter and the lateral surface area, so we can equate those things with the help of this 2 into L plus B. So you can insert that perimeter inside this lateral surface area. So then we got here. Yes, so let us move on to the next problem. Yes, let us take the second problem here. So here just observe, Shanti's sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. That means Shanti's sweet stall, so they want some of the boxes, so for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of boxes were required, that is 2 sizes, one smaller size dimension, another one is the bigger dimension. The bigger dimension is of 25 cm into 20 cm into 5 cm, and the smaller dimensions is of 15 cm into 12 cm into 5 cm. It is given. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. That means for each dimension, so they want some extra sheets, so extra cardboards. So that is also required there. And if the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, so that means it is given. So for 1000 centimeter square cardboard, it costs 4 rupees. And find the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So that means here we have the bigger dimension and the smaller dimension. So each thing we have to find out the total area required. So total area required. In that the 5% is also included. So whatever the dimension we have for the bigger dimension and the smaller dimension, in that, so for the 250 boxes, it requires 5% extra cardboards. So that's why, so we have to find first, that is total area. So individually from the bigger dimension and individually from the smaller dimension. Then we have to add the smaller boxes and the bigger boxes. Then we have to take the cost here. So let us we have to find. So firstly what we have to do is we have to take the bigger dimension and smaller dimension individually. Then we have to find the total area it is. So firstly, so for bigger dimension. So for bigger dimension, what is the area it is we have to find out first. So firstly, what is the value of L here? So in case of L, it is 25 centimeter. Value of B is equal to 20 centimeter and H is equal to 5 centimeter. Then we have to take that one. So what is the value of? So here we have to find the total surface area. So what is the value? Here total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to 2 into L. What is the value of L? It is 25 into 20 plus B, 20 into 5. So we have to insert the respective values in the respective places. That is 5 into 25 is equal to 2 into here. 25 into 20 means it is 500. Plus 20 into 5 means it is 100. Plus 25 into 5 means 125. So is equal to 500, 600, 725. 2 into 725 is equal to 2 into 5, 10. Here 2 into 2, 4. So here we have 5. 2 into 7, 14. 1450 is TSC. Then we have to find out the 5% of it. What is the 5% of it? This means, so 5% of, I will take it as TSA 1. So 5% of TSA 1 is equal to 5 by 100 into 1450. 5 by 100 into 1450. So we can cancel it on 0 and 5 into 2. Then 2 into 1, and here we have 2 into 7 we have, so we can take the decimal point. So here we have 2, so 2 into 2 4, and here we have 1, so decimal point. After that we can take 5, that is 72.5. So here it is centimeter square, so here it is also centimeter square. That is what is the total area required for the bigger dimension. So that is 1450 plus 72.5. So here we have the bigger dimension, and 5% of it means 72.5. So this is when we take the total of that one, this is a total area for the single bigger box. So that one. So let us take the total area. That is total area. Total area is equal to 1450 plus 72.5 is equal to what we get here. So 0.5 and 2 we have here. 7 plus 5 it is 12. So we have 1. Then we have 1522.5 centimeter square. Whether it is correct? Yes. 7 plus 5 12 and yes 5 15. 1522.5 centimeter square. So this is for the bigger dimension. So let us take the smaller dimension. For smaller dimension, what we have here, so we have to check. Yes. So for smaller dimension, what's the value of L here? So here we have value of L is equal to 15 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter, and value of H is equal to 5 centimeter. Then, so here we have to take the TSA2. So I will take this as equation number 1. Is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL is equal to. So we have to insert all the values here. 2 into value of L is 15. 15 into 12 here, value of B is 12. So plus B into H, 12 into 5. 12 into 5 plus H into L. H into L, that is 5 into 15 is equal to 2 into, so 15 into 12. So 12 into 5 is 16 is 0, 6. So it is 180 plus 60. Then 15 into 5, so 75 is equal to 2 into 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60 means 240. 240 plus 60, 300, 315. 315 is equal to, we have 2 into 5, 10. 1, 2 into 1, 3. Then into 3, 6. 630. TSA2 is equal to 630 centimeter square. Here also we have to find out the 5% of it. 5% of TSA2. What is this 5% here? 5 by 100 into 630. We have to find out the 5% of it. Is equal to 1 0 is 1 and 5 into 1, 5 into 2. So here we have 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 into 1. Then 1 we have, when we take the decimal point, we have 10, that is 5 centimeter square. Or you can take the division also and another side. So this is the 5% of TSA2. Then what is the total area? So total area is equal to, here 630 plus 31.5. 630 plus 31.5 is equal to 661.5 centimeter square. That is the total area. So the total area of integer box here, it is bigger box for this one and the smaller box for this one. I will take this as equation number 2. So then we have to calculate for the 250 boxes. Then we have to calculate each total area for the 250 boxes. So then Consider equation number 1. Equation number 1 for 250 boxes. Then what happens here? 1522.5 into 250 is equal to 1522.5 into is equal to the value of 1522.5 into 250. It is 380,625. That is 3,80,625. When you take the multiplication of these two things, we get 3,80,625 centimeter square. So for this bigger dimension, then consider equation number 2. So that is from the for the smaller dimension, that is for 250 boxes is equal to, so here 661.5 into 250 is equal to 165,375 centimeter square. That is 1,65,375 centimeter square we have. So here, so you have to calculate these two things. That is, I will take this as equation number 3 and it is equation number 4. So that is smaller dimension and bigger dimension. We got the total area of cardboard. The total area of cardboard required for the 250 bigger boxes and the 250 smaller boxes individually. Then, so we have to calculate the total area required. That is, so we have to add these two. So here I will write this here. We have to add all these two equations. That is the total area of the cardboard. Total area of the cardboard is equal to, so that is 380,625 plus it is 1,65,375. 1,65,375. So here is equal. So here we have to add these two things. Here we have 0. So 5 plus 5 0, 10, 1 remains, and then here 6, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 0, 10. That 10 means it's 0. So remaining is 1. 6 plus 3, 9, 1, 10. So here we have 1 and 5 plus 1. 5 plus 0, it is 5 plus 1, it is 6, and 8 plus 6, here it is 14. So here we have 4 plus 1, so 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 546, 0, 0, 0. That is 5,46,000 centimeter square. It is the total area. So total area of the card sheet. In that we have to do this 250 bigger boxes and 250 smaller boxes we have to do. Then here, just observe here we have to find the cost of the cardboard at rupees 14 for 1000 centimeters square. That is for 1000 centimeters square. So what is the cost? That is rupees 4 rupees. Then how many centimeters square we have here? 5,46,000. That is 5,46,000. So here we have the 1000 means 546 we have to multiply here, and here also 546 we have to multiply. That is, just observe 4 into 6. So 24, 2 remains, 4 16. 16 plus 2 it is 18. So we have 1. 4 into 5 20. 20 plus 1 21 rupees. That is 2,184 rupees we have. So for making this 250 bigger boxes and 250 smaller boxes, so totally it requires the 5,46,000 centimeter square. Each 1000 centimeter square costs 4 rupees means, so totally we have to spend, Shanti Sweet Stall have to spend 2,184 rupees. That is the cost of the cardboard. The cost of the cardboard is 2,184 rupees. So this is the answer. So firstly we have to find the area of this bigger dimension, then we have to add the 5% of it, then we have to multiply with the 250, and same for the smaller dimension also we have to take the total surface area of this of the smaller dimension using the dimension, and then we have to take the 5% of it, then we have to add this thing, and then we have to multiply the 250 boxes, because so we have to find out the total area required for this 250 boxes. Then here we have to add all these things, that is totally how much cardboard we requires, that one we got here, and then at a rate of 1000 centimeters square we have to spend 4 rupees. So for the totally 5,46,000 centimeters square means, so we have to spend, that is 2,184 rupees here. Yes, so I hope you understood this thing. So let us take one. So here we have a homework. So let us take one homework here. So here we have a small indoor glass house. Herbarium we are calling, is made entirely of glass panes. Glass panes, from the glass panes only we made that small indoor glass house, including base, held together with the tape. So including base we have a glass panes there. So held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter height. So it's a length and breadth and height of the glass house. So here we can find out the area of the glass. That is what is the total surface area of the glass, we can find out here. So you have to insert. And how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges? So 12 edges. 12 edges means here 4 lengths are there, 4 breadths are there, and 4 heights are there. So that means totally 12 edges. So here we have, what we have to do is, we have to calculate the sum of 4 lengths, 4 breadths, and 4 height. So that means 4 into L plus B plus H. So when you take the value, so that is equal to the tape is needed for all the 12 edges. We have to tape that one. So this is the thing. So you have to solve the homework in your home. So I hope you understood these things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home.